Good morning everybody and welcome back. My name is Lynn and I'm Pretty Papercraft 67. Today I am just going to do a couple of product shares with you, things that I'm very excited about that I've received in the post just in the last week or so. So I'm going to start first of all with the beautiful September mystery box from Paper Inspirations, Sue's shop. Paper Inspirations. So these boxes are available every month through subscription on the website paperinspirations.com.au. So I have gone through this one and done a little look-see, but we'll go through it properly together. So as always, a beautiful collage on the top of the box. I reuse my boxes for storage. I have some shelving behind me and I use them for different bits and pieces. So the packaging always comes in very much handy. A beautiful collage, a gorgeous bird, the September 2020. And look at that, an old stamp. Isn't that gorgeous? So inside, Sue always includes a letter to her fellow crafters. And that's just explaining a little bit of what's in the box. Yeah, so that comes with every box. And then as always, beautifully packaged with gorgeous pink tissue paper. And let's have a look and see what's in this month's mystery box. So we've got a gorgeous set of white feathers, 3 white feathers there with some sage green or some style of green sari silk, not sari silk, sorry, seam binding. So they would come in handy. I've used feathers in the past when I make mobiles and things like that. So, and they're beautiful, very, very pretty, very soft. As always, we get our little sweet treats. We get a packet of marshmallows and a bag of tea, cranberry and pomegranate, this one. So beautiful. They certainly come in handy when I do late night crafting. Sue has included a little set here of embossed cardstock by the looks of it. That's a beautiful little doily, which will come in handy. Now, if I can only, yep, there we go. Oh, that's a knot. I'm going to try and slip that off instead of trying to unknot it. Okay, so some cord that comes in handy, some cotton string with gold flecks through it. Now, these are all embossed cardstock, so oh, they're lovely. I use a lot of this type of thing when I'm layering covers and things, so there's florals and dots and just some really lovely patterns on different styles of paper, different thicknesses, different colours, creams and whites, and your oh, what's it called? This stuff. Oh, look at that one. That's gorgeous. And this craft cardstock, that's what I'm trying to say. So that's a great little collection. How many do you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 10 of those, and they measure about a 3 by 4 by the looks of that on a rough guess. Yep, 3 inches by 4 inches, so they're a really handy little size. This gorgeous, look at this, isn't this pretty, rosettes. So three rosettes on like a tulle background. I can just see that as like a spine on a junk journal or something like that. So they're beautiful. And look at these fabric samplers. I do buy the cotton frizz from Sue and I use it all the time. So I have not got green, and I don't have that colour, and I don't have that colour. So, and look at just the way that Sue presents them. I do remember watching a video when Sue was putting these together. So yeah, some really lovely colours and not a bad size piece. That's a nice ruffle. You can make a nice ruffle, a pull tag on a tie, or yeah, anything. You can sew those onto the edges of your journal pages. And these tickets too. These tickets are very much reusable. So beautiful. The stamp this time is this little bird. Isn't that sweet? Little wood mount stamp, rubber back, well, not rubber back, rubber stamp. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah, I'll use that a lot, that's for sure. It just lives in there. Now, like I said, I have gone through this quickly, so I have undone some of the packaging. Now, this is, I love, a beautiful little paper pocket. And look at these gorgeous little buttons. You get quite a few in there. These gorgeous little wooden floral buttons. Aren't they just so sweet? I love them. So I use buttons in many of my projects, so they will certainly come in handy. Beautiful. In this one here, look at the way Sue's packed that. It's just lovely. So you got a little craft bag and this gorgeous doily, and then this brad. So all of that is very much reusable. And this little doily. I mean, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That's a die cut by the looks of it. Love it. And in this little bag, we have some washi tape. I am slowly building up my washi tape collection. I don't have a lot of it. So, yeah, it's exciting to get some new stuff. And this collection is a floral piece, a pink, and then like a salmony colour. So, yeah, they're gorgeous. They will come in handy a lot. I love this floral. That's beautiful. Lovely, lovely. Now, another little packaging. Look at that sweet postcard. That's a stamp. I think that's a darkroom door stamp. That's beautiful. And the lovely packaging, which has been ink stenciled. And inside of this one, Sue has included a big assortment of these beautiful, they're a transparency, but they're all roses or florals, and they're all like a stamp in different colours. So look at those, aren't they just lovely? They will certainly come in handy. They are a sticker, I know that. I do have trouble sometimes getting them off their backing, but that's okay. I still use them. I still sew around them and use them in that way. But yep, so a collection of those in a beautiful, in my ideas journal, I take all of these packagings and I include them in my ideas journal as pockets. Another beautiful bag, Tim Holtz stamp set, the specimen card. And then again, it's been ink stenciled in a green and the most gorgeous, I don't know if you can see that, most gorgeous, like a botanical theme. And inside this little paper bag is heaps and heaps of stickers with bird theme. So, oh, all thumbs today. Yeah, aren't they lovely? Oh, so beautiful. Little bluebirds, and there's eagles, a robin. Oh, they're just lovely. So, yep, they will certainly come in handy. Put them back in there. And then Sue has included a length of seam binding, satin seam binding trim ribbon in a really lovely blue. Isn't that gorgeous? I'd say there's about 2 meters there, might be more even, but that's gorgeous. That's a really lovely colour. And then at the very bottom, Sue has been lovely enough to include me as one of the Australian artists in the mystery boxes. I'm being featured in the September one. So basically, you will receive a set of my printables. This printable is called Botanical Backgrounds. There's a little note there from Sue that, you know, if you wanted the larger size, the full size, you could go over to my Etsy store and purchase. But yeah, so Sue and I collaborated and I created this printable for her, for Sue's mystery box. And yeah, so these have been printed on a 5x7 size. So they're really good size for including as journal pages or even covers on journals. So that was, I really appreciate that, Sue. Thank you so much for including me in your mystery box, in the September mystery box. So there you go. That is the September mystery box from Sue at Paper Inspirations. Another wonderful collection of beautiful craft supplies. I do use them. I pretty much because I create and sell my products on in my Etsy store. I use these products all the time, and by the next month's box, I'm pretty much finished the last month's box. So it's always great when I receive my mystery box, because I know I've got some new creative tools to play with. So there you go, available for subscription over on Paper Inspirations, and I'll link that at our shop address below. Now, this is another purchase that I just wanted to share. I have seen this on, many people have posted pictures that they have received this book on Facebook in different craft groups and things. So I have been looking at it for a while, but I have hesitated to buy it because it isn't a cheap purchase. I did find this one on eBay, and there is a fair amount of them available in the USA, but here in Australia, the cheapest that I could find was $41. So that did include free postage, so that was fine. But then when I got it home and had a look through it, it's like, oh, seriously, even for $50, $55, it's something that it's a wonderful craft tool. It's just a beautiful book. So it's the Botanist. Oh, I don't know how it's the Botanists. Excuse me, the Botanist sticker anthology book, and it's about 350 pages, and it is absolutely just chock-a-block full of botanical style stickers. Even the background pages are gorgeous, that you could use in journals or as backgrounds for tags or whatever else. So nothing in this book will go to waste. When you've finished all the stickers, you've got a gorgeous hardcover book to make a journal from, or an ephemera folder or anything like that. So I'm just going to do a really quick skip through, because it might not be interesting to a lot of people, but in my circle, those friends of mine that craft, I know that we do use a lot of stickers in our projects. So, and beautiful graphics, lovely colors. Yeah, just a very nice book. So I just thought, with Christmas coming up, what a great gift idea if you've got like my mum, for instance, she does glue books or sticker books. So yeah, this type of thing for my mum would be a perfect Christmas gift. So I will be getting her one of those. But yeah, even this page here, that's just one big sticker. So you just peel it up there, and it's just one big sticker. So yeah, really lovely. I could sit here and go through every page, but you know, there's a lot of pages. Orchids, all your florals, yeah, and there's frames and lettering. There's some butterflies and insects through it. Yeah, love like a big daisy or a gerber, I'm not really sure. Yeah, just oh, pansies. Look at that. My sister would love pansies. Pinks. Oh, it just goes on and on and on. Just beautiful. So, oh, look at the blues. Oh, the bluebells. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Another big page of water lilies. Yeah, and it just goes on. Then there's all what's back here further. Oh, look at that page. That's gorgeous. Yeah, so lots of florals. There's all your they're not roses. I don't know what they are, but they look like a rose. They're gorgeous. Yeah, beautiful. And then you've got all your trees. I think, oh yes, it does. It goes into trees, plant leaves, plant life, top like that, and then into your mushrooms. Quite a few pages of mushrooms, and then you're back to your ferns and oh, just so much little beetles and bugs and bits and pieces. That's a big red page. Look at that. Pardon me. Yeah, so much in it. So if you have been contemplating buying this book, but you're unsure whether you should spend the money, I say spend the money, because there is oodles and absolute oodles of inspiration, stickers, enhancements, embellishments for your junk journals, card making, scrapbooking, any kind of paper craft whatsoever. So there you go. Thank you so much for joining me today. September mystery box, Sue Paper Inspirations, the Botanist's sticker Anthology, eBay. I'll link that one below as well. All right, another Monday morning, another overcast, rainy day here in Brisbane, but, you know, it's a good craft day, so I'm going to do just that. I hope you're all well. I hope you're all safe and enjoying some crafting time, if that's what you like to do, or enjoying anything that you enjoy doing. And yeah, thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.